Chefs Association.
Yes,
So
you got that.
I can be, I can do everything that a chef does tonight.
Exactly.
Right.
We give you the honors.
You give me the powers.
the power from
The power.
Kenya Chefs Association.
Right. So we're just about to get it, to get our hands dirty. Right. So I want to first know how to make this one.
How to make this?
Yeah.
Okay, this is really quick. Now it looks like a tree, right? So
Yes.
the idea is a Christmas tree. You can make it more fun than this. What you need is a cupcake.
Right.
So
Of
that's
course you need a
basically-
cupcake.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And then I think you can try to frost a cupcake.
Uh-huh.
So basically we'll do it together.
Okay.
You just take some vanilla frosting and then you do a nice base so that your cone would be able to stick.
Yeah. Okay.
So
okay.
that is good enough. Now what you need would be a cone. This
Oh,
is like any other cone.
Yeah.
That
You
ice
buy
cream
off
cone.
the
Yes.
ice cream cone. You buy it in the supermarket.
Any supermarket.
Yeah.
Good, so you got that. Now I want a bit of some snow. So you can just take it a
Snow.
bit closer
Right,
here. So we can just drizzle a bit of some snow on the side, which is desiccated coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will give you that kind of a snow feel.
All right.
Now good, so we have our, what would I say? Our tree that doesn't look like tree.
Yeah, our
We have a
tree
cone.
that doesn't
Now
look
we
like
want
a
to make
Christmas
it
tree.
look like a Christmas,
tree, like this.
Yes, so
Yeah.
what do? We are going to get a bit of some vanilla frosting and then we're going to throw it into a
This color?
Yeah,
Okay.
the plate.
Right. So do I
And
mix
then-
it?
Yes, I'm just going to add in a bit of some color because I had already made
Okay.
a bit before. So a bit of some green color to go there.
There
and
we
then you're going
go.
to do a quick mix. Once everything is mixed, we are just going to take a cone. And making a cone is basically really easy. This is a ready-made cone that I just made from here. But then now I'll show you how to make a cone. So this is basically
Is this
a-
green enough?
Yeah, really green.
This is
and good.
actually a very healthy tree, this one. All right, so then.
So this is basically just a triangular greaseproof paper, and I just want to make a cone out of it. So I'm just gonna take it around that way.
That's so simple.
Yeah,
So this is
then-
something you can do with your kids, with your
Exactly.
family
It's
members.
fun. Make
It's a lot of
Christmas
fun.
or maybe the holidays
Christmas fun.
really fun at home.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have
Alright.
my lovely cone here, and now
So
you
I
want to
pour it up.
this in. Yes.
Pour it, all of it.
Chef Betty, I like that.
I'm
Nice.
telling you. Is it gonna go in?
Yep, it is. So yeah, just get the most out of it. Like try to get everything
Okay.
from there.
If I suck at this, just tell me. I will know.
Don't worry.
No feelings
well.
hurt.
Good, good. Now I'm just gonna pinch it
Yes.
from here.
Get it all out.
And I'm gonna get everything towards the bottom.
That's so
Just
simple.
gonna do a quick tear, and then we are gonna make our lovely tree.
So how
you're
do you
gonna
do
hold
it?
for me?
Yeah.
Basically, just dots.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right. Let me just mess it up for you because
Okay.
let me try.
All right. Just
Maybe
press.
if I need a career change,
Yeah.
maybe I'll consider
Just
being
play around with it. Make it fun at home.
make it
That's the whole
fun
idea, right?
and enjoy
Enjoy.
it. Mine looks so horrible. Wow. Hey, yeah, I wasn't meant for this. Okay, let me just let you do it. I'm gonna
Okay.
spend the whole evening here.
Good. So we're just gonna do this really quickly. And you just want to take it.
Look at you, you do it so
all
easily.
around. And you want to pull it so that it looks more of like
Oh
a tree.
yeah, like
you know?
a tree. Just don't
That
put it
really,
there.
You know.
Right.
Quick, pa, pa, pa. You're gonna take it all around. Yeah, you
Don't
can,
worry about the one that's
you can
pouring.
enjoy that. You
I'm
know,
gonna
that's fine. That's the beauty of being in the kitchen.
yeah, you get to taste the good
you get
stuff.
to taste the good stuff really fast. I'm gonna try to do this
This
really
is
fast.
super
You
cool.
need a bit of some time here because you know you want to make it perfect, but then try my best.
Got it.
See what I
Got
can
it.
do. Yeah, the cake is really moist, all the way from Mombasa.
Lovely. All that from Mombasa. Okay, you have
Yeah.
to stop that Mombasa vibe.
my county
Your county.
001.
Even in Nairobi, we make such.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
A lot of it,
yeah,
by the
sure,
way.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
So really quickly, you can just place it on the side here, and then we
Yeah.
can finish our good decor. The cake is
There
really
we go.
soft.
Yeah,
Don't
it's
worry
very
about it.
soft. Oh yeah.
Don't worry about it. Good stuff.
It's sweet.
I'm just gonna add in a bit
Some
of
snow.
some snow. You know. Yeah.
Lovely.
And maybe some lovely glitter. You know, I'm really
Edible glitter,
Yeah,
that is.
edible glitter.
Yeah.
Right. So just to make it look like.
There we go. That is so cool.
Yay!
That is
Fantastic.
really,
It's
really
something that you
nice.
can really do it really fun at home, really quickly, without a problem.
Without a
With the
problem.
kids
And it's a lot
enjoy.
of fun.
Yes.
And with friends, you know, when
Yes.
you're bored in those,
Yes,
cold
good stuff.
mornings. Right. So I like that. But then I'm very curious about the 1 minute cake.
Let's do this.
Let's do this?
Let's do this.
All right, first of all, I want even to know how to, you know how you mix the butter?
Exactly.
Because my cakes, when I try to bake, you know, the cakes at home, I have two problems. First of all, it's mixing the right, you know, proportions.
Exactly.
Sometimes it's too sweet, sometimes it's not sweet. And then the other thing is that it refuses to come off the baking
Exactly.
thingy.
You know, as we always say that baking is a science. So everything needs to be like, you know, exact according to the quantities.
All right.
So really quickly, without wasting time, we're just going to do a quick mixture, and I'm going to do some butter.
Okay.
So this is going to be approximately 100 grams of butter that will go with 1 cup of sugar.
Can I enjoy this as you do that?
Yeah, sure.
Because this is really, really, I'm a sweet tooth.
So you want to beat this up like with a mixer. So maybe
and we have one here.
Yes.
I think you should do this. I think I'm gonna mess up my.
Going to do this really quickly, and we just want to combine everything together until we get a pale white color. All right, it's gonna be a bit noisy, but yeah. Right, at this point, you can continue to do this, and I can break an egg inside.
Yeah.
You want to do 2 eggs. So really quickly, I'm just going to break 1 egg.
If I mess up my dress, you'll just know why. You know, you're in the kitchen. So we mix butter, sugar, eggs. Yeah. Sorry.
And then, well, the mixture is well combined. I can just throw in.
So I stop? Not yet?
Okay. Good stuff. Looks good.
Okay.
Looks good. You can just take it down. All right, good.
There we go.
You want to add in a bit of some flour. There will be 1 cup of flour.
Okay.
Now you want to start with really slow, but before then, we're just going to do some baking powder.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to do some vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of vanilla
And all these
essence.
things are available at the supermarket?
Any local supermarket. In red food color, because I want to do some red velvet. So red food color to go in here. So that we get that nice dramatic color, and then now just give it a nice. Yeah, you want to do it this way? Yes, it doesn't get good. Yeah, that's fine. Take it around, and then we finish off with a bit of some water.
Yeah.
Just to soften that mixture.
Yeah.
Okay, good stuff. Give us some water.
Right. Oh, it starts to look good. Yeah.
So at least a 1/4 cup of water. Go in there. Basically, you can just mix up everything and just have everything together, and then just put it.
How do you talk and cook at the same time? You know, and especially on TV, because you're so used to it. I'll only concentrate on like, wait fast, let me just finish this.
You know, for me, for my shows and all, I have to speak and
as you cook.
Exactly.
And
as
make
I
sure
move.
the
Look
food
at
is
that.
delicious.
Hello, it looks good. I just want to make it a bit
really
moist.
delicious.
Yeah. Just finish it off. Lovely. And then we're going to scoop it
Look at
into
that.
our cup.
Yum.
Okay.
So that's it?
That should be it.
Is it good enough?
Good enough. That's fantastic.
All right, fine. So let's just take our audience, our viewers, through what we've done. We've put the sugar, we've put the butter.
And then we had, of course, some flour to go with baking powder and some vanilla essence with some red color. And then you finish off with a bit of some water, just to, like, you know,
make it soft.
Yes. You want a very moist cake.
Right.
Now I'm going to scoop this mixture into a cup.
And it's just a cup.
Just any other cup that you have at home. So 1 scoop is basically 1 cupcake.
Okay.
So I'm going to do
But
at
that's
least,
so little.
yeah, that's going to be little for us. You know, we're going to enjoy this.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do 3. This will be sufficient to 3 good cupcakes. A lot of calories.
Cheers. Can you see that? That is a lot of calories. You know, in December holidays, you don't really care about, you know.
And then you just cut them off, so don't worry about it. Just cut them
January,
off.
you go, you hit the gym.
I'm missing the cup here, but don't worry.
So remember, you can interact with us, hashtag Friday Briefing. Tell us what you think about what you're doing. If you have any questions, you can throw them at Chef Latfeast.
Hashtag Ask Chef Al.
Yeah, that can work on Friday, whatever you want. Right, so we put it in?
Yeah, we just put it in. 1 good minute. I'm just going to clean my cup.
Yeah, your cup is already messy.
Anyway, we're just going to enjoy
it. So
it.
this is the point to actually put it in the microwave.
In the microwave for 1 minute.
For 1 minute. You know, when I tweeted that, people are like, yeah, right. Yeah, right. So let's see.
Okay.
Are you nervous? The microwave won't work today.
It will.
Okay, so that's, I've set it at 1 minute. So I go?
Yep, go. Okay.
Okay.
My tree fell.
Let's wait
but
for
that's
that.
Fine.
So
So in the meantime, we can do another one, and just maybe take it a bit closer so that it don't.
So
don't
Chef
fall.
Ali, you
Yeah.
started, you know, you're so much into cooking and everything.
Yes. Yes.
When did you, think that, you want to take it to the next level and not just be a chef, but you have these TV shows, teaching people how to, to cook stuff. Where did that passion come from?
I guess basically being inspired with, of course, the good ingredients that we have in Kenya.
Right.
Like you just bring any chef from all over the world. They'll
Yeah.
just come in and say, wow,
We
you
have
guys are blessed.
Yeah,
you
with
have
a lot of-
amazing ingredients.
Yeah.
So for me, being the chef and sharing my cooking skills and ideas is basically the passion for my country at the end of the day, because
like
we do
that.
have fantastic ingredients
I like that.
some people are not blessed with such ingredients. So basically using these local ingredients and producing amazing dishes is basically my thing. It smells like a baked cake. Let's see.
Oh,
my
there we
God.
go.
Look at
It's
that.
so hot.
Look at that.
Look
at
at
It's
that.
baked and fluffy. Look at that. So soft and
Can you
fluffy.
see that? Which camera? Which camera?
1 minute.
There we go. Which camera? This one, camera 4. It actually is a cake.
It's a very soft cake, like very nice and fluffy. So for now, we need a topping for the cake, right?
Yes, let's
So we
do
melt
it.
some chocolate. We're gonna melt some
So let
chocolate.
me put this in the meantime. Let
Yeah.
me put the second cup mug cake
Okay.
to. There we go.
Okay, so yeah. we
Oh,
can continue.
yum! All right. This looks very delicious. Is everything okay in there?
Lovely. Yeah, continue with basically, and that's basically what really motivated me to be, a chef and basically, showcase my country and the ingredients that we have. That's the whole idea. People need to understand that you can create a lot of things with what we have locally.
What we have locally, and that's very true. Do you think Kenyans, we just love nyama choma and ugali? We don't, explore the things that you're talking
Exploring,
about.
yeah, basically, no, I think, Kenyans are adventurous. And basically the response that I'm getting with my TV shows is that people really want to learn more.
How
The
to
moment
cook.
my show won't go on TV, people are just going to blast me on Twitter. Like, what's happening? what happened to the show
tonight?
today,
Right.
That's the whole thing. So people are really eager to learn, and that's a very, very good spirit.
Lovely. I can't wait to dig in.
Okay.
But I'll wait.
Yeah.
I'll wait for the, everything. Let's see how this one turned out.
Okay.
Oh, this is even
big.
bigger.
Ah, nice.
Wow,
That's
that's
good.
really, really lovely.
Now we want to melt some chocolate.
Yes, yes. So how do we do
You
that?
just put it in the microwave. So we have chocolate, any chocolate that you can find from
we
your
go.
local supermarket. Any chocolate will melt in a microwave. So
Right.
really quickly, we're just gonna melt.
How long should
some
I give this one?
chocolate. Give it a minute, and then we'll just stir. We'll quickly stir.
Okay. Smells so good.
I know.
This studio has never, smelled this good.
Really? No, we'll make it proper. We'll
You can
make
see
it proper
people are
next time,
starting to come in the studio to just see what's happening in here. All right.
Okay, so basically, I think
And
I'm
so
just
all
gonna-
these ingredients are available locally.
These are very Kenyan, as
Very
from the
Kenyan.
butter to the flour
To
to
the
the
flour,
desiccated
kila
coconut
kitu.
to the sugar. We are blessed.
So do you cook at home? You have a lovely wife. I mean,
thank
do
you.
Are you the one
Thank
who
you.
cooks or she's on?
We
who-
cook together.
You cook together.
We cook together. That's the fun part of it.
Yeah.
It's even
She also
more
loves
romantic.
cooking, or she has to like cooking because you're a chef.
Yes, she enjoys cooking. She loves it because basically it's basically a passion for her as well.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, she wouldn't just spend all the time in the kitchen by herself. I'm just going to walk in and we'll do it together.
Lovely. So now
Okay.
this ones. What do we do with this one?
We're just going to frost them with a bit of the chocolate.
All right.
that's
Let's
melted.
let's see. There we go. Not so much.
Okay.
Needs
Yeah,
a
we'll
little
just
bit
stir it.
more.
We'll just stir it really quickly and then.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can just stir it. So with chocolate, basically working with chocolate, 1 minute is good enough. So you just want to stir it. Nairobi is a bit
Oh,
cold.
there we go.
Yeah, you just want to give it a nice stir. And then
I think
it will
I'll continue
blend
having
in.
some of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at this point, you can add in a bit of some oil if you want to moisten everything. But since it's hot, I'm just gonna add in a bit of some
Butter.
good Kenyan butter. Yeah, all my ingredients here are Kenyan. So just to get it like nice and moist.
Right.
At this point, you see,
Oh,
lovely.
there we go. Easy.
Easy.
Easy breezy. Right.
Yeah, I got
So
my
1
hands
minute
dirty here.
cakes.
1 minute cakes.
Yeah.
With some
Chocolate
chocolate
on top.
on top. Look at how the cake
That
is
looks
nice
so
and fluffy.
That's, yeah, I have so many words to describe it.
Okay. And
Very,
then
very
we're
nice.
gonna do a bit of some Christmas color maybe.
All right.
What do I do with my, just put them down here. Let's get a bit of some frosting there.
It's almost
And
over.
then, good. Maybe some sprinkles.
All right.
Have fun with your baking.
With your
in
baking.
the microwave.
Throw everything in
Throw
there.
everything in there.
Okay.
And then now it's time to dig in.
Let's now dig in. I'm so sorry at home we can't do this with us, but I think tomorrow morning you can wake up, it's a Saturday, and
Yeah.
just make
Dig in. We have some
something.
forks down there. Yeah, let me get them. Good.
Right. So, time to dig in.
Time to dig in.
All right, let's
And
see how good
the
it is.
fluffiness just in the towards the center. Look at that. Look at how fluffy this thing is.
Look at that 1 minute cake.
Yes.
Cheers.
Really nice and
Cheers to
fluffy
the
and
great
moist.
Christmas experience with
Exactly.
cakes at home.
You know, cakes at home and it's a hot cake. See
This
that?
is so good.
This is just awesome. So they say the best cake is served hot. Chocolate.
This is too much chocolate.
Amazing. So you can do this with small cups, you know. Get creative. Top it with whatever you want, some caramel, you know, some buttercream, some whipped cream, some goodies to go on top, whatever you want to call them. So basically,
This is so
the fun
good.
part of it.
This
And you
is
can
so
change
good.
the flavors as well. You can use chocolate. I used some red color here to get that nice dramatic color. Like
You can
red
even
velvet.
use banana, I think.
Yes, you can use banana
Could
as a
be-
topping, some
yeah,
fruits,
yeah.
mangoes you can use on top.
This is
But
really
for the
good.
flavoring, you can use some cocoa, you can use, you know, coffee. We have such beautiful things in Kenya, like Kenyan coffee as well, at the end of the day. Tea! Not forgetting my
Tea.
beautiful Kenyan tea.
Yeah, you love tea.
Yes, I love
All
my
right,
tea.
so
I love my tea.
as I continue enjoying it, my director, you know, the gallery is going crazy. Everyone's like, we want one. So I want us to do something. So you're good at this, no doubt, you know. I can't even beat you, you know, in anything that you've done.
I appreciate it. Thank
So
you.
it's that, but it's good that way. So I want you to come and have a taste
Of what you do.
of what I do. And
Okay.
so walk with me. Time to
Okay.
read the news and
Okay.
see if you can have an alternate career.
Let's see.
So let's go. So as I enjoy my mug cake, which is so delicious.
Okay, do I have to sit?
Yeah. Of course you have to sit.
Okay,
I'm so
now where are
sorry
you
to-
going to sit?
I'm not gonna sit. You sit.
Okay, so I'm the news anchor
You
today.
are the news anchor, and so you have to give. You know, you have to throw in some charisma. You have to throw in, you know, how you throw in the, you know, some chocolate and, you know, desiccated coconut. So you throw in some charisma, some authority, some charm. All right, and you know, throw it in there. So introduce the story for us, and but first, start by introducing yourself.
So where do I read? Do I read
as
from
I enjoy.
here?
No. You read from there.
I read from there?
Yes.
Okay,
All
all
right.
right.
As I enjoy my
So
stuff.
my Kenya Chef Association hat is going to go on the side. I'm news anchor now.
All right, enjoy.
Okay, so I read from there, and I start to introduce myself. How does the news anchor sit like that? So when to start?
No.
Hi guys, my name is Chef Ali La Artiste, Global Ambassador, Kenya Chefs Association, and of course representing my country. So today we are at the Friday briefing, right? Good, and now I read. So during long holidays, such as the December break, parents are often at a loss on how to ensure that their children spend their holidays in a constructive manner. Many are forced to either stare at the television sets all day or farm freely in the estates in Kenya, Nyeri County. A first of its kind art camp is providing an opportunity for children to enjoy their holiday by drawing, painting, and having fun. KTN's Carol Nderi visited the art camp to bring us the following story.
Activity characterizes the mood here in this hall at the Nyeri National Museums. The studious little faces pore over their paperwork, lost in deep concentration. Every detail counts.
How does mine look?
Yet, even as the little ones go over their work in this seemingly serious manner, there is lots of fun and good cheer to go around. This is an art camp aimed at harnessing the artistic talents that children might harbor but lack a forum or an opportunity to cultivate them further. Besides the main aim of the camp, To nurture talents such as drawing and painting, the children are also taught to appreciate the environment by being creative and using discarded material to create beautiful forms. Take these discs and bottles, for example. They might seem useless, but the children have turned them into aesthetic objects. The art camp is a brainchild of Rachel Gitao of Usanii Art Kenya, who collaborated with the National Museums of Kenya in central Kenya. Rachel says many times during holidays such as the long December break, children do not engage in active, useful activities and instead participate in passive activities such as watching television all day. This, she says, not only makes them lazy and kills their creativity, but also makes them vulnerable to lifestyle diseases due to lack of physical activity.
So tukasema, why can't we just convert this to apatie kitu fun ya kufanya that is also developing them in talent and mentally, and then pia tupate wakati wa mentor, yeah? Tunaongea na wao, unawasikiza, the issues that they are going through.
Art has been scrapped off from school, so when kids are really missing out, and there's a huge talent, I'm sure you've seen from the work that they've done, there's a huge talent out there.
During holidays such as these, children often find themselves idle, and therefore it is important to harness their talents and creativity so that they do not find themselves immersed in activities that they shouldn't be in the first place. The camp, a first of its kind in Nyeri, drew children aged between 5 years to 15 years for a week. Moving forward, the organizers hope to hold such camps every school holiday and are calling on other stakeholders in other fields such as music, acting and sports to do the same. Organize camps where the children can while their time away during holidays and engage in useful ventures.
Nilichora vitu kama sungura. Napenda kuchora na kukimbia. Ninapenda kuchora. Naendanga riara.
Joel Kariuki is an art teacher in Nyeri, and through art, he says he is able to make a living and feed his family. He urges other parents not to downplay talents such as drawing and other forms of art, as these can form careers for their children.
Juzi tumeona watu wengi sana ambao wanachora picha, wanauza kama shilingi 1200, 1300, na kipawa kama hicho kikipotea kama saa hii, watoto kama hawa wataingia mambo ya ulevi.
Parents at home have also been urged to assist their children spend their time wisely during holidays, and at the same time let them have good fun, for that is what the holidays are for anyway. Carol Derry, KTN News, Nyeri County.
Oh, welcome back.
Okay, I need to sit like a news
anchor. I
anchor.
think I was enjoying the cake too much. So I'll give you a 7 out of 10 because I think you have the charisma. You have, you have something, a little sprinkling of something.
I can put on a suit.
I think you can with,
so you
with
invite
polishing,
me quite often, yeah.
and then some consultancy, services. I'll be able to polish up, and I think you can do it. So you can actually rate Chef Ali. Tell us how you think he did. I think the 7 out of 10 comes because of the really nice cake. So tomorrow, the Kenya Chefs Association, you have an event. Tell us about that.
Yes, we have a CSR event.
Yeah.
So the Kenya Chefs Association, which is branded here, basically has a CSR event tomorrow where we are gonna go to Tumaini Children's Home,
right,
and basically share our love for the children. And basically, it is festive season, so everyone needs to feel loved. So
Right.
the idea, like all the chefs basically in Mombasa, and of course the ones who are gonna come from Nairobi for the association as well, are basically going to join hands together and basically send food. So we're gonna cook, we're gonna serve, we're gonna have fun with the kids, and this is the opportunity that we're gonna make that.
Yeah.
All right, good. I made cupcakes for them.
Yeah.
I've been baking the whole day today and
Lovely.
maybe tomorrow as well. So I think we should make this as well.
I think you should. I think I'll make 1 or 2 and then you'll take it tomorrow. Right, so we want to take a short break here on KTN Friday Briefing. Business is coming up next, but also remember that Will is the word master, mzungu wetu.
Oh, atatufundisha.
Atatuambia si
Atatuambia
onion,
onion,
but ni onion.
onion.
Si oven, but ni oven.
See, often, ni often.
Right? So all that is coming up shortly. Stay with KTN Friday Briefing. After.